Do you want to learn? So let's start it. The first one is FYN, which means fine. The second one is IDK, which means I don't know. The third one is IMR, which means I mean really. Fourth one is IRL, which means in real life. Fifth one is DAE, which means does anyone else? Sixth one is DIY, which means do it yourself. The next one is LAM, which means leave a message. Today is my friend's birthday, so I sent her a message. In that I wrote it like happy birthday XOXO, which means happy birthday and hugs and kisses. So XOXO means hugs and kisses. I don't like PPL who mock at me. Wait a minute, what does PPL mean? Well, PPL means people. I don't like the people who mock at me. POV, which means point of view. For example, you can say, my POV is right, means your point of view is right. Of course, that is. Last one is TYVM, which means thank you very much. Well, TFW, well, what does that mean? That means thanks for watching.